Imagine yourself in this 2012 Mazda 3. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Call today to schedule a test drive.